How to make money with ChatGPT by becoming a marketing consultant using the power of AI. Hey guys, in this video I'll teach you how you can use ChatGPT to become a marketing consultant for your niche and use ChatGPT to generate strategies and tips to recommend to your clients and get paid top dollar and be a marketing consultant for your niche. And here we go. So the first prompt will be, imagine you're a marketing consultant for B2B SaaS companies, and here you can replace it with any of your niche that you want to serve. Mine is B2B SaaS. So for B2B SaaS companies with 10 plus years of experience. Is that understood? Okay, after that you will write. So you will write, give me 15 unique but free online marketing strategies to grow a B2B SaaS product. These strategies should be unique and not crowded by competition. So this is very important that you enter the niche again and you say not crowded by competition. So you can see that it generated 15 strategies. So it is about using Quora, leverage LinkedIn groups, hosting webinars. And you might have seen a lot of like companies like HubSpot and ConvertKit. They use these strategies very successfully. So they must be doing something right because they're growing like crazy. So here they're recommending similar things, and they are saying about hosting virtual events and creating white papers and all. Most of them are free and don't take much money. They do take effort, but it is very strategic and has a great ROI. But you can expand on it by saying, give me some more unique strategies that no one else is using. So you can see it generated much more unique strategies this time. So online quizzes and interactive tools. For example, you can build a calculator to calculate ROI in your industry. As a B2B SaaS product, you can build a calculator, and that will get a lot of links and a lot of talk about your brand, and develop a chatbot, host a virtual reality experience. I've never heard of that actually. And that's pretty unique. Yeah, that's better than a normal marketer would recommend. And create a podcast series. Very good strategy again. Use augmented reality experience. Use guerrilla marketing tactics. So I would say ChatGPT gets it, and you can recommend these strategies to your client. In my case, it would be a B2B SaaS client, and you can change the client industry according to your niche. And let's dive in deeper. Next, I would say. Next, I would say recommend some unique strategies to reduce cancellations and refunds. So do you see, guys, it is recommending tips and strategies for every pain point which a B2B SaaS or your niche would suffer from, and it would give you unique strategies to solve them. So you can become a marketing consultant and prepare a chart of what are the pain points which your target audience is suffering from, and then get the answer to those pain points by using ChatGPT. And I have actually made a video where I am showing how to get those pain points and create blog articles from them. But I'll link it in the description, but I'll also show you how to find these pain points. So I would say list the main pain points of a B2B SaaS product that stops it from growing. So it will list out all the pain points here. Poor user experience, lack of product market fit, ineffective marketing and sales strategy. And the strategy will be to pick up each one of these pain points and say to ChatGPT, give me some unique strategies to fix product market fit. Give me some unique strategies to fix poor user experience. Give me some unique, not so common strategies for fixing my sales strategy and get more sales. So do you get the drift here? And that's how we will continue, and we can cover the whole 9 yards of what a B2B SaaS founder is dealing with in terms of problems, and we will become the solution. And that's why we can charge top dollar and get clients like that. So I hope you find it useful. Please subscribe, guys. It means a lot to me, and uh, it gives me the energy and power, the subscribe button and the like button. So please do that, please. And let's build a community here and keep growing with the power of AI with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is ours, this is made for us, and we will use it to grow in 2023. You and me, we both will do it together. Thank you.